Digital images may be applied to any geometry within the model, regardless of orientation. First, bring in the raster image and rotate it into place. Then right-click or context-click on the image and explode it to turn it into a projected texture slide. Activate the Paint Bucket tool and sample the projected texture with the eyedropper using Alt or Apple click, then paint onto the model. To create a sign on a curved surface, first explode the raster sign and use the face to create geometry for the bounds of the sign. Make a group of this, then intersect that geometry with the model. Now sample the projected material and paint it onto your sign. The image will be projected straight onto the surface, not wrapped over it. You may ask, why would I want to do that? Well, what if we put the sign on its back? Tracing over features of a site plan can enable you to extrude them with push-pull. Then select the geometry and intersect it with the surface terrain model. Intersecting ungrouped geometry allows it to be clipped and partially removed, thus leaving new geometry on the surface of the terrain. Intersecting the extrusions as a group puts just the intersection lines onto the surface of the terrain, like a cookie cutter pattern. Textures and images may be applied to smooth surfaces, and they will be wrapped around the curved surface. Use this for panoramic backgrounds or cylindrical designs. To apply a sloping texture to a cylinder, similar to a barber pole stripe, first turn on hidden geometry to show the underlying surfaces. Context-click or right-click on the surface and select Texture Position, then rotate the texture. Deselect the surface, turn off the hidden geometry to view the results. Now you can eyedropper sample the rotated material and paint it onto the cylinder.